Welcome to Grow and Gain Finance, where smart money moves meet simple guidance. Today, we're breaking down Personal Finance 101 and the 7 money mistakes nearly everyone makes. These mistakes silently drain your wealth, but once you know them, you can flip the script and take full control of your financial future. Mistake number one, not knowing where your money goes. One of the biggest financial pitfalls is simple, not tracking your spending. Most people just hope their money lasts until the end of the month. That financial blind list leads straight to overspending, hidden leaks, and missed savings opportunities. The fix is straightforward. Track every expense for 30 days. Use an app, a spreadsheet, whatever works. Most people find $200 to $500 they didn't even realize they were burning. Mistake number two, failing to set financial priorities and goals. When your money has no mission, it drifts towards impulse buys, stress spending, and things that don't move your life forward. Goals create purpose, and purpose builds discipline. Set clear, meaningful financial goals: retirement comfort, buying a home, your kids' future, entrepreneurship, whatever matters most to you. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Give your money direction. Mistake number three, excessive credit card spending and high interest debt. The median credit card interest rate is now over 24%. Carrying balances means paying double for everything. That $2,000 purchase can easily turn into $4,000 or more over time. The solution? Pay balances in full, attack high interest debt aggressively, and build the habit of only charging what you can afford to pay off immediately. Mistake number four, overspending on housing and vehicles. When housing costs exceed 30% of your income, your budget suffocates. Same with flashy cars that come with high insurance, constant repairs, and crazy fuel costs. Think smarter. Choose reliable cars. Buy slightly used, keep them longer, and always consider the total cost of ownership. Keep your housing and transportation under 50% combined. This protects your flexibility and your wealth. Mistake number five, waiting too long to save for retirement. Time is your greatest asset. Waiting even 10 years dramatically shrinks your retirement potential. Someone starting at 25 can end up with twice as much as someone who starts at 35, even with the same monthly contributions. Start now. Automate contributions, grab your employer match, and increase your savings by even 1% each year. Mistake number six, living beyond your means and impulse spending. Lifestyle inflation is sneaky. As income rises, spending rises right alongside it. That pressure to keep up leaves people stuck in a paycheck to paycheck cycle, even high earners. Break free from creating a realistic budget, using the 24-hour rule before big purchases, unfollowing shopping temptations, and celebrating smart financial wins. Mistake number seven, not having an emergency fund. Life happens: car repairs, medical bills, job loss, home emergencies. Without a cushion, these situations throw you into credit card debt that can follow you for years. Start with $500 to $1,000. Build gradually to 3 to 6 months of expenses. Automate the transfers and protect that fund for true emergencies only. These 7 mistakes are financial leaks. Fix them now and watch how fast your money starts working for you instead of disappearing. You don't need to be a financial expert. You just need awareness, intention, and consistent action. Track where your money goes, set goals, build smart habits. Your financial future is in your hands. Your money, your rules. This is Grow and Gain Finance, and your financial confidence starts today.